5 English grammar. Okay, so now today we'll start with verb. Your essay 2 syllabus starts from here, verb. So we'll start from verb today. The most important part of speech in English grammar is the verb. It is a word that tells us something about a person or a thing. A verb tells us about a person or a thing. So it is basically a doing word. What work you do now, see. A verb tells us what a person or thing does. So what a person or thing does. Verb tells us what you are doing. Raman laughs. The clock strikes. So this is the verb. What is done to a person or thing. It also tells what is done to a person. Mohit is scolding. The window pan is broken. What a person or thing is means what a lion. See, the lion is dead. The glass is. This is also a verb. Now see. A verb often consists of more than one word. Verb consists of more than one word. As the girls were singing. So singing is a verb, but it is with were. So it's more than one word. I have learnt my lesson. The watch has been found. So this is verb. Okay. These are all verbs now. There are two classes of verb in English. Auxiliary verb, that is helping verb. Auxiliary verb is known as helping verb, and the main verb. So what are the helping verbs? Is, am, are, were, was, has, have, had, do, does, did, can, could, may, might, must, out, shall, should, will, would, etc. These are all main verbs. Helping verbs are auxiliary verbs, and the main verbs read, write. These are all helping, and these are words. Read, write, dance, sing. All the doing words. Weep, cry, sleep, grow, eat, drink, fly, flock, etc. It's all main verbs. Doing words now. Auxiliary verbs are are verbs that help to form a tense. Auxiliary verbs, it will help to form a tense, helps to form a negative or interrogative sentence now. Main verbs are the verb that tells us what has happened or what is the situation, and have four different forms: V1, V2, V3, V1, ing. Okay, there are four different forms. Now you will learn about these four different forms. Now studying the following sentences: subject, verb, object. Okay, what is the subject now? See. Okay, now subject, verb, and object. Girls, auxiliary verb, main verb, and object. Girls are making dolls. So girls are is the auxiliary verb, helping verb, and main verb, making dolls. Boys were plucking flowers. Meera has finished her work. They can win the match. We should serve our country. Okay, now, so this is the helping verb and this is the main verb. This is the object and this is the subject and these are the objects. Now see. Auxiliary verb are verbs used with main verb. They help form tenses, negative and questions also. Now, verb can have four different forms. What are those? V1 is present form, V2 is past form, V3 is past participle, and V1 ing is present participle. Okay, now we'll learn about V1, V2, V3, V1 and ing. Now see. The fourth form verb, that is V1 ing, that is present participle, is formed by adding ing. You have to add ing to the verb to the present form. Now see. Go. If you add ing, it will become going. Sit, sitting. Love, loving. Burn, burning. Okay. So this is a V1 ing, that is present participles verb. Now see. Conjugation of verbs. Now what is this? Conjugation of verbs. Conjugation means giving the different form of verb. You have to give giving different and forms of a verb. Now student must commit these different forms to memory before they can learn their proper use. That means you have to know all these things. That is, present form will be there, past participle, present participle, all these things you have to know. There are many words are given here, so you have to know all these things. Now, this is conjugating of verbs now. Abuse, the word abuse will be there, right? Past participle and present participles. Now, abuse, it will become abused, abused and abusing. Agree, agreed, agreed, agreeing. This is a past, this is present participle and this is present participles. Past, this is present form. Abused is becoming the past form and abused is becoming the past participle, and present participle will be abusing, ing you are adding. That is V1, V2, V3 and this is V1 ing. Same agree, agreed V2, V3 agreed and V1 ing is agreeing. No, apply, applied, applied, applying, arrive, arrived, arrived, arriving, bark, barked, bark, barking. Okay, now this all things you have to know this one. Bathe, 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 bathing, bent, bent, it will become bent, bent, bending, bite, bit, bitten, see, bite, bit, bitten, blow, blew, blown, blowing. So you have to know all these things, all these words you have to know.
All these words.
Otherwise you can't do this, okay? Hide, hid, hidden, see, hide, hid, hidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten, forgetting. Feel, felt, felt, feeling. Okay? You have to know all these things. There are many words now. Next page also it's full of, yes, this also you have to know. It's full of word. Now see.
Full of words.
Hold. Now. Hold, held, held, holding. Hurt, hurt, hurting. Okay? Invite, invited, invited, inviting. Jerd, 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 jerding. So you know all this. You have to learn. You have to know. Okay, at least you have to know the words. What is changing? Sell is becoming sold, sold, selling. Shine, shone, shone, shining. Smell, 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 smelling. Okay, all you learn. You read this one, know this one. Otherwise, you will not be able to do. Now next, this one. Also same thing. Steal, stole, stolen, stealing. Tear, tore, tore. See, tear is becoming tore, torn, tearing. Try, 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 trying. Okay. So many changes are there. You have to learn this. You have to know this. Still this one, you read very nicely. Okay, these pages. Now, test yourself. Now, conjugate the following. You have to now conjugate. Meet. What will be meet? Meet, met, met, meeting. Isn't it? Let's see. Where is meet? See. Meet, met, met, meeting. Now, when you conjugate, you have to write V1. This is V1, V2, V2, V3, V1 ing. So, meet will become met, met, meeting. Same try. Try will become try, tried, tried, trying. Speak will become spoke. Spoke, spoken, speaking. Speak will become spoke, spoken, speaking. Speak, spoke, spoken, speaking. Okay. Keep. Keep will become what? Keep. Keep will become kept. See. Kept, kept, keeping. Know will become know, knowing. So, know, knew, known, knowing. Know, knew, known, knowing. Okay. So rest, this one you will do homework in your copy and you will send me. This one will be your homework. Now this also. Rewrite each sentence using the V2. You have to rewrite the sentence using the past V2 form of verb underlined. You have to make the V2 form. V1, V2, V3 and so Ram feels sorry for his mistake. Feel will become felt. You have to change this one into V2. Ram felt sorry for his mistake. The peon rings. The peon rang the bell on time. They sent. Send will become ACNT. Sent. They ACNT. Sent. RANG. Rang. They sent her a letter yesterday. They spent their time in idleness. SPENT. Spent. We heard. Here will become heard. HEARD. Heard his speech over the radio. They meet will become met. Meet will become met. They met their friends in the park. Our hen lays will become laid. LAID. Laid an egg every evening. Anu losses. Anu lost. Anu lost her tiffin box in the canteen. These are the changes. Okay. You will do this one. You will this also you will write in the copy. Okay. So this will be your homework. This one and this one. Okay. And next, I think yes. Let's turn the page. This one you can do now. Fill in the blanks with appropriate auxiliaries. Now see. Dash I come in, sir. It will be may I come in, sir, from these words. We should not tell lies. You must speak the truth. We do help our friends. We do help our friends. We do help our friends. Has her son come back? You can sit on his bench. You can sit on this bench. He was not telling the truth. He was not telling the truth. I will go to the market in the evening. Okay. So these are the things you can do. Now next, fill in the blanks with past, that is V2 or past participle V3 form of given verb. You have to fill in the blanks with V2 or V3 form of verb. change this form of word. I never tell will become told a lie. Forget, I forgot, got, got it will become to bring my purse. The mad dog has bite will become bitten him. The mad dog has bitten him. Past form. I met my friend. The sun rises at 6 this morning. The sun rose. R-O-S-E-D. Rose. Give me eraser, please. This one you change. This one. Wait. This one. The sun at 6 this morning. This morning, that is present. The sun rose at 6 this morning. He has reached home safe. She came to my house. Mr. Verma has went home for lunch. Go will become went. We learnt English grammar at school. We learnt English grammar at school. So rise, what will become? The sun rise at 6 this morning. This present form. Rise present form is what? Let us see. What is rise present form? Rise is rose, I think. Yes. Rises at 6 this morning. Roast. R-O-S-E-D. Roast. Sun rose at 6 this morning. I have a confusion with number 5. Okay. Just check it. I will also check it. Okay. Otherwise, you can do till this much. See. Okay. Finish for today. This much. Thank you.